Today's case about scaling, you can see heavy deposits are present on the outer side, that is called labial side, and now you can see on inner side heavy calculus is there as there was no scaling before. So gums were bleeding and halitosis was there, and after scaling you can see a lot of changes there. It's the initial change. You can see the color setting is better now. The dark line along the gum is now better, and it will give better look, and the halitosis will also resolve after that. So scaling is very important to remove the not only the debris along the gum line, it also make your environment healthy, and halitosis problem is also resolved.